Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We have the Pastor's Tri-Glide in for an NVS Audio Stage 1. He had some previously installed equipment that he wasn't happy with, so he had some Alpine coaxials. These are car speakers. And then whoever did the build thought it would be a good idea, even though these speakers already have tweeters, to drill a hole and add more tweeters and glue them to the front of the grill. Let me see that speaker pod. Definitely not the best way to do it. He wasn't happy with the sound. And these are some dollar store tweeters that are glued on there and not doing anything. And they glued them onto the grill, so now the grill is destroyed, and we're gonna have to replace the grill. You can see the glue right there. And then inside the pods, they literally just jump the tweeter together with no type of crossover network. That's what that butt connector is there. So we're gonna have to pull all that out and start over. They're using a good amplifier. It's a JL Audio 400, but we're a little short on power for what we want to do, so we're going to pull that out. We're going to do a SounDigital evox 800. Nothing wrong with this amp. It's just we need a little more than 400 watts. It's a quality amplifier. Then they should have put the top plate back on it or some sort of protection, because water can actually get in there. Then we're going to pull the Alpine speakers out. We're going to go with, I think we're going to go with mats all the way around this one, or actually we're going to use the ground zero because obviously it's a tri-glide, so we can't do bass in the bags, so we need something that's going to give them a little more mid bass. So we're going to use the ground zero coaxials in the front, and we're going to use the Hertz Neos in the speaker pods. Obviously DSP, T-harness, radio flash,